I am Bob and I work in accounting. I wanted to tell you about our company and what we are looking to accomplish. First, we are a managed services company that works in technology. What are managed services, you ask? That is a great question. As Wikipedia puts it, managed services is the organizational practice of outsourcing the responsibility for maintaining and anticipating need for a range of processes and functions in order to improve operations and cut expenses. It is an alternative to the current models, including the on-demand outsourcing model where the service provider performs services and bills the customer only for the work done. Wikimedia continues by saying that managed services model is a subscription model, and the client or customer is the entity that owns or has direct oversight of the organization or system being managed, whereas the managed services provider (MSP) is the service provider delivering the managed services. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about Rockhead Electronics. We are developing several products that range from web hosting products, service monitoring products, and off-site virtualization. While our hosting products are near completion, we need funding to complete our MSP and monitoring products. We are focusing on Microsoft products, Science Logic monitoring, and virtualization to begin with. I am almost sure that I just heard of "what does that mean" from the audience. Let's do an example to try to explain the managed services concept as we see it. A company contacts me, and I send a technician to their site. Through the technician's examination of their platform, we find that we need to upgrade their Active Directory system from 2003 to 2019 and implement monitoring so they have a better understanding on how their equipment is being used. Our technicians do the work to upgrade the system while I bill them for the work and the software licensing for the product licenses and hardware costs. This may include ongoing charges depending on what the customer needs, including ongoing network management and monitoring. This brings us to Rockhead Electronics' mission. While we are working on an official mission statement, we can tell you that, among other things, it involves supporting our community. One of the ways we plan on doing this is working with the local community to support those who are fighting addiction, allowing them to become more stable members of society that are in better positions to contribute to the community themselves. We want them to get past their addiction, and finally leaving the legal system. We wish to work with them and their parole officers to find a path away from the environment that leads them out of the system. Thank you for listening. We hope that you choose to help us achieve our goals through a contribution. We are offering several rewards through this program, including the original scene that I created for the top several tiers. So go check them out and have a great day.